Okay, hold on. I know this is my mark. Sagittarius. Do you get what I was going for? Like, adventure, travel, Sagittarius. Oh, do you guys love to travel? You love to travel. You got that travel bug they talk about. They're also a fire sign. I collect Sagittarius because why not? The notable Sagittariuses I have are Jay-Z, everyone's hottest celebrity, Pope Francis, Taylor Swift, DJ Khaled, did I say that right? Winston Churchill. I know this not because I looked it up, but because I've been watching The Crown, because they celebrate his birthday anyways. Sagittarius, you love adventure. You love to learn about the world. But be careful, because sometimes you feel trapped. You need to keep things spicy and interesting, because once you get bored, oh boy, are you in some problems. The great thing about Sagittarius is they're always willing to learn with you, to take a cooking class, to take an art class, to experience different things. They're the lifelong learners of the sign. And to be honest, usually the center of most parties because they're so worldly and knowledgeable and can talk to anyone about almost anything. Sagittarius, when you love work, you really love work. When you hate work, you really hate work. And you get bored and just don't care. You're the gamblers of every sign. You take risks with your money, with your friends, with your love life. So be careful. Take it easy. If you're gonna spend your money, spend it on experience rather than stuff. Like if you're in LA, go to Disneyland. Don't buy the hat because you don't need the hat, and the hat will be there and it'll just be more junk you don't need. Oh, Sagittarius, you're so romantic, like painfully romantic. Like you're the stuff that love letters are written about. Oh my God, like this Sagittarius he wrote me the other day. Oh, I've slept with a bunch of I've gone on so many dates with Sagittarius. I don't know what it is about me. But they love me. But if you feel suffocated, if you feel trapped, you're out the door. You do not compromise. You gotta be careful with that mouth of yours. Is that a swear word? You got one of those mouths where you tell it like it is. Take it back a step. Don't be so harsh. Okay, this is a true story. My friend Robbie is a Sagittarius. I called her one day and I was like, oh, I messaged this guy online and he said he's like really busy, but he's gonna get back to me. And this is literally word for word what she said to me. She goes, he's not into you. He's never gonna be into you. Get over it. I started crying, but she was right. You're not gonna get bull from a Sagittarius. Like there's no hidden message to their words. Other people tend to be a lot more sensitive than you and can't handle your bruteness. Be easy on your friends and family. That's you, Sagittarius, and you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone. Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.